In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an event in Google Calendar. Whether you're tidying up your schedule or simply clearing out past events, knowing how to efficiently manage your calendar is a handy skill to keep things organized. So let's dive into the straightforward steps to delete an unwanted event from your Google Calendar using your web browser. First things first, you'll need to open Google Calendar on your desktop. Simply go to your preferred web browser and type in calendar.google.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This will display your personal calendar filled with all your scheduled events. Now, it's time to locate the specific event you wish to remove. Browse through your calendar and find the date and time slot where your event is listed. Once you spot it, clicking on the event will bring up a small pop-up window that shows the event details. This step is crucial as it allows you to ensure you're deleting the correct event. In the pop-up window, you'll notice a few options including the event name, time, and other details such as location or participants. What we're looking for here is the trash bin icon. It's commonly displayed along the top or bottom of the pop-up, and upon clicking it, you're essentially choosing to remove this event from your schedule. After clicking the trash bin icon, the event will be immediately removed from your calendar. This action is a straightforward and irreversible step that clears it completely off your calendar. There's no need for further confirmation most times, but it's always a good idea to double check your calendar to ensure the event has been successfully deleted. This simple method allows you to keep your calendar uncluttered and up to date with just a few clicks. Remember, managing your schedule efficiently not only helps to keep track of your commitments, but also reduces the overwhelming feeling of having too many events in view. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever we upload new content. If you have any questions or further tips on managing Google Calendar more effectively, feel free to share them in the comments below. Happy scheduling and see you in the next video.